Here we are at Bum Park, and it's Wednesday, 26th day of February 2020, and Harmon is trying out his new remote control car. Wow. Whoa! He loves it. Don't hit anything! Harmon! Don't hit. Don't hit anything. You'll ruin that car, so don't. It's not a monster truck where you can send it off of cliffs and hit anything you want. There it goes. He came back from Kenya Sunday, and all he's been doing is he's had diarrhea, canker sores in his mouth, and he's exhausted, very tired. He's how fast does this thing go? All right. There it goes. That's why I'm not letting him play with his friends. Ha! Now you got to go back and get it again. Give him some exercise. So we could have gone to Michigan Park. He wanted to go to Bum Park. There it goes. Wow. He's pretty good with it. That is a fast car. Wow. There it goes. Wow. Now I see why they have that tire on the back. I was going to take that tire off, but you need it because it will get damaged when it flips. He loves those RC cars. He loves them. Wow, he did a wheelie. Wow. This is about the third or fourth car I got for him. This one his Aunt Linda got him. I had gotten him. The first one I got was broke. When we got it, didn't work. Brand new too. The next one didn't. The next one broke. And I think I got him a third one. It was a $200 car, and that one lasted a couple days. Don't hit anything. It's not made for ramming into walls, Harmon.
Okay, still fine.
Yeah, just don't do that. Keep it away from hitting things. So anyhow, that's what. This one's pretty good because it costs only around $100. It works great. And it has an extra set of batteries. So he can, it's supposed to go about 20 minutes at full speed. That is a really nice car, Harmon. You're pretty good with it. So anyway, that's what we are doing. And I gotta take him out and get him something to eat later. He's lost some weight since he's been back, since he left. He don't like the food over there. So, but he needed to lose a few pounds. That was good. That's a good car, Harmon. Yeah, it's better to run it on the grass. It won't get damaged. You like it? Do you like it better than the other one you got? Yeah, this one.
Faster.
It's faster too.
And the other one is a lot bigger.
Now, I had after a week or so, if it keeps working, I'll write a review on it so other people can read the review and know what to buy, because I spent a long time reading the reviews on these cars, so I don't have any complaints with it right now. Not anymore. I had complaints on the other ones. Wow.
That was break dancing. It's supposed to be break dancing.
Break dancing.
No, that's not it. That's break dancing.
Oh, that's all for now.